Hello my beauties, it's Erica with the Beauty Buff and welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy a channel full of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then please consider subscribing below. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and then comment down below and let me know. You know, on this channel we just like to relax and let loose, get away from the everyday grind. So if you will with me, taking a good deep breath, exhale, and let's get to this video. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you my new beauty space. I know, like in recent videos, the backgrounds have changed, and I didn't share with you my beauty room. So like months ago, I spoke to my husband about making one of our bedrooms a beauty room. It's our home. We share a home together. So of course I talked to my husband. You do what you do with your husband. I do what I do with my husband. But so he was like, that's fine. I don't care. You can do whatever you want. So I made my beauty space into one of the bedrooms. Of course, I had a closet in our main bedroom, so that IKEA closet I just gave to him. And then I did get a new IKEA storage system that I'll be showing you. So in this beauty space, I have my closet, I have my makeup, I have my computer desk and everything, my accessories, most of my shoes. Unfortunately, I have a lot of shoes, and some of my shoes are still in his closet, so he's fine with it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you my new beauty space. I hope you enjoyed the video. Alright beauty, so I'm trying to film this with my camera, but I just wanted to give you a quick outfit of the day. I just have this Coord set on from H&M. It's like in this leopard print. It's a button-up short sleeve blouse, and then I have on some slacks that goes with it. My red shoes from Madden. So here is the outfit. I just have on a black watch from Michael Kors, and then I have on some red studs from Betsy. But yeah, this is the full outfit. I'll zoom out so you can see. But this is how it looks. In that flowy kind of satin material. It is kind of thick. It's not lined or anything, but it does have like some weight to it. It does feel like it's really good quality, like it won't just come apart in the wash. But that's the outfit. And then I just have in my Amazon pony. Alright, lovely, so we're about to enter my beauty space. And when you walk in, the first thing you see is my makeup desk. And you come on in. I have that clothing rack because I need to do some hauls. Some try-on hauls actually. And then this is the IKEA closet set that is in here. I did get another type of well, it's similar to the one that I made in the other room, but it's not the exact closet. This one is not the one that goes all the way up to the ceiling. I do have some space up there, so I have like my hat, some wigs in the back, some purses, and then just some shades and some storage up there. And then, like I said, this is my makeup, my vanity. Turn the lights down so you can see. Turn the light down so you can see the vanity. But I have this mirror and this tabletop from Impressions Vanity. And then it's just the, I think it's called the Slay system. But it's just glass at the top. You can see through it. And then I just have a mirror that goes along with it. And then these two drawers are from Amazon. They mimic the IKEA Alex drawers. But I purchased them off of Amazon. And then I just have my white stool there. Alright, so on this desk I just have my makeup mirror. This is like a Simply Human mirror. It's double-sided. and it lights up around there. I have this kit from Amazon that I store my foundation and primers in. And then I just have this little keep calm and pray. It just has some prayers and some just like encouraging words in there. And then this is just like a perfume. It could hold perfume if you want to put it in there. I just thought it was really pretty. I just leave it here. And then I have this back here. It's like a air freshener. This is just a little catch-all. I have my lipstick holder. Here I have a shelf from IKEA. Has some purses at the top. Some of my shoes. Some more purses. And then I have some boots down below. And then if you swing around this way, I just put my IKEA shelves up here on the side of the TV. And then it just has some makeup on this side, some perfumes. And then over here also some makeup and perfumes. Well, makeup and yeah, perfumes there. And then I have my computer. These two sets of drawers came from Amazon as well, but as you can see, they're not like the Alex system. They're more slim. They don't take as much room up as the Alex drawers. And then if you swing around towards the door, on the door I just have like some shoes, like a little shoe rack, just because the closet in here doesn't hold all my shoes. And then I have like a mirror, little flower there, or a plant. It's like a faux plant. I got it off of Amazon. And then a little chair for when I make videos and I want to sit. And then back around to the closet. So I do use this closet as well, the one that's in the bedroom. And it's more for like my winter things. I have like some boxes in there because I need to do some hauls and different things, but I am using that as well. But it's like packed out, so I usually keep this closed. And then, you know, as fall and winter approaches, I'll just switch out clothing as needed. But I'll go through the closet quickly. Here I just have like skirts, goes into jumpsuits, goes into like long sleeve thin blazers and like shirts, and then it goes into blazers. Here at the bottom I just have jeans and some of my slacks. Shoes are at the bottom. And then here I have my short sleeve shirts. They go, you know, from white to different colors to long sleeve. And then I have just this where I keep my accessories, like my watches and rings. Let me turn on the exposure. So in this drawer I just have like watches and like some of my little jewelry, you know, just nothing really expensive. Just most of the stuff that I get like is from TJ Maxx and all that stuff. And then here I just have my shades and some more of my little jewelry. And then here's just summer clothing, so like bodysuits and shorts, different things like that. And then same here, I have some more bodysuits. I have some bralettes, some short sleeve shirts. Then in this drawer I have more of my faux leather things, so like faux leather pants and shorts and just some leggings. And then in the very bottom, just some more like lounge wear, long sleeve knit shirts, short sets, different things like that. My waist trainer that I rarely ever wear. And then this goes back to the clothing rack. And so behind the clothing rack, this is like my winter stuff. So I have long sleeve like shirts, sweaters, jackets, I have some boots here, and then some pumps and everything down there. So, pull these out. Some shoes in the back. Some tennis shoes. And then some boots down there. Those are just my ankle boots. And then the bottom just has like some pumps. So it's like that. And then we come back around to my vanity. So, alright, so this is just a tour of my beauty room. I hope you enjoyed it. I do recommend the IKEA pack system if you are ever looking into it. My vanity, IKEA bookcase, shelving, my computer. The only thing I will say in this room, I don't like the carpet, but I don't foresee me changing it anytime soon, just because I don't have to pull all of this stuff out of here to do the floors. So I did have like a gray carpet in here on top of this brown carpet, just like a throw rug. And the wildest thing, a couple of days ago, like I saw a scorpion in the house, like it was coming out of this room. So I requested that my husband take the carpet up and pull everything, like the chairs and everything out, and vacuum to make sure it was gone, because I tried to kill it. I sprayed it. They told me to hit it. I couldn't hit it. I was scared. But I sprayed it like several times, and then when I went to get the vacuum cleaner, I came back and it had left. It was gone. I don't know where it went, but it was gone. And so I asked him to get the rug up, because I didn't want it to be like, the rug was kind of like thick and very like plush, and I didn't want it to be hiding in the rug and then like sting me or get up under the rug somehow and be hiding in this room. So we took that rug up. That was just, like I said, a throw rug, and unfortunately I have this rug, but hey, I'm fine with it. I enjoy the rest of my space, so what's, you know, at least I have something to keep my feet warm, even though I'm going to be wearing shoes in here, because I don't know where the scorpion went. So wow, you would think like Florida scorpions, I would think that's more in like Arizona somewhere, but there was one here. So alright, beauty, so that wraps up the video today. I hope you enjoyed the new beauty space, the tour of the new beauty space, and where I'll be working out of, doing my new videos. If you have any questions about anything that I purchased in here or how I set anything up, then just leave it down below in the comment box. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me. Please remember to give some time to God as well, and I hope to see you in my next video.